Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. Actually not first video. I have updated couple of videos 2 years back, but at that time I was very conscious talking in front of camera, but now I've been loving camera. I love to be shoot, I love to be captured and whatnot. I just love to be in front of camera. So I made my mind that no matter what, I need to give it a shot. And yeah, let's get into the video. My today's video is about universal problem of hair fall, hair thinning and dandruff, scalp issues, itchy scalp and whatnot. It's a universal problem for girls and even in boys. So yes, today I want to say you about oils have been saved my hairs. People ignore oiling their hairs, but literally oil saved my hairs. And I am the kind of person who loves her hair. I eat for my hairs, I drink for my hairs, I am alive because of my hairs. You can think in this way or say it this way. I can't stress enough how much I love my hairs. So yes, we need to oil, guys. We need to oil our hairs, and it's very important that we keep our hair moisturized. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about some oils which I was facing hair fall a year back. So yeah, then is when I discovered all these oils and stuff. I tried many things and nothing worked for me. Then my dermatologist said me that you need to oil your hairs regularly, and only one oil is not sufficient. So blend of oil will work for you. So I'm gonna talk about my blend which I use, and I'll say what are the benefits of that oil, so that you get to know that what kind of blend would work for you. So yeah, let's get into it. Yes, I use blend of 6 oils. Yes, you heard it right, I use blend of 6 oils. If I have made some note in my book so that I don't miss out on anything. So if I look down, then you know that I'm looking into my book. Yes, my first oil is castor oil from Aroma Magic. Castor oil is very good for your hair. It's it enriches your scalp with goodness. Yes, it enriches your scalp with goodness, and it has 2 acids known as resolonic acid, and another one is omega-6 fatty acid. They both are hair growth agents, and if you regularly massage your scalp with castor oil, then it will improve your blood circulation in your scalp, and thereby you will have healthy hair growth. So yes, this is a must include in your hair care routine. Second magical oil is olive oil. This is also from the same brand, Aroma Magic. Yes, so olive oil is packed with antioxidant, and it helps in maintaining your scalp and hair health. Sorry. Yeah, hair health. And it also acts as natural conditioner and provides nourishment to your hair, and it prevents your hair from cell damage also. And mostly olive oil is used to maintain the health of your hair, or quality of your hair and texture of your hair. So olive oil is basically to enhance the quality of your hair. So yes, the range of oils which I'm going to talk about is special oils which are called essential oil. Essential oils are nothing but they are extracted out of plants. So my first essential oil is the rosemary essential oil from Organic Harvest. Yeah, it's from Organic Harvest, and the benefits of rosemary oil is so many. It prevents your hair follicle from being starved of blood supply. If you don't have proper blood supply to your follicles, then it will die off, and it will lead to hair loss. And it also prevents premature graying and dandruff. It also helps the people who has dry, itchy scalp, flaky scalp. It also helps them. And beyond that, it stimulates hair blood to your scalp, and it tend to promote hair growth. And rosemary oil is also said to equal to minoxidil 2%. Minoxidil 2% is nothing but a solution which is given by dermatologist when you tend to have lot of hair fall. So I will say about minoxidil in my another video. So yes, so rosemary is the alternative and natural option of minoxidil 2%. So my next essential oil is lavender essential oil. lavender essential oil. This is also from Good Alps. Yes, lavender essential oil is used for promoting hair growth, and it is also antimicrobial. So if you have any problem of head lice and stuff, it can be cured by using lavender essential oil. Kids who go to schools and colleges have this problem. So yeah, but if you use lavender essential oil regularly, then you can tackle this problem as well. And it is also a good natural hair conditioners. So if you need any healthy option or natural alternative of your chemical full of conditioners, then you can replace that conditioner with lavender essential oil. You can also use 2-3 drop of lavender essential oil and put it on your hair as leave-in conditioners, and it smells divine. First of all, it's like, I love lavender essential oil so much because of its smell. And yeah, it is also known to control your hormones if you have any hormonal issues and stuff. So if you apply lavender essential oil, you will get to see the changes in your hormones and calm your hormones and stuff. And if you have any problem in sleeping, like insomnia or something like that, so it can be used in that as well. If you have any diffuser, then you just put 1 drop in the diffuser, and yeah, put in that diffuser on next to your bed, and yeah, you will have peaceful sleep. And also, if you apply lavender essential oil on your head before going to sleep, then as well you will have good sleep and good peaceful sleep. My next essential oil is clary sage essential oil. This is also from Good Alps. Clary sage has an acetate which is called lineal acetate. Where using along with lavender oil, it makes whole blend so effective, so that it strengthens your hair. Therefore, it promotes hair growth, and it makes your hair so tough to break, so difficult to break, so you don't have like that much hair fall and hair breakage. So that's what clary sage is used in this blend. And clary sage is also a natural hair thickener. So if the person who has like hair thinning problem, or like if you have been having for the longest time the thick hairs, but suddenly you're facing this thinning of hair problems, you can include this clary sage in your oil, and yeah, then you will not have this problem of hair thinning. And the final oil is vitamin E capsules. You can find in any medical store. So yes, vitamin E is used to maintain your scalp health. It promotes hair growth, and it is also packed with antioxidant, unlike olive oil. So yes, so it also reduces oxidative stress and free radicals in a person, that causes your hair follicle cells of a person's scalp to break down. So you know, the like some people doesn't have hair fall from the root, but their hair tends to break while they comb. So like they have thick hair till here, but after that they have thin hairs. So yeah, by using vitamin E capsule, you will not have problem of hair breakage alone. These were all my blend of oils, and yeah, I'll link all the product link in my description box. So if you want your hand on something, then check my description box. And I also wanted to say you that Purple and Nykaa is going on sale right now. So if you wanted these products in best rate, then you can order it right now. And yeah, the amount of oil, which oil need to be used in which quantity, proportions and all, I'll show you in my next video. And application of oil as well, how the right application of oil should happen, that I'll show you in my next video. So stay tuned with me and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I also wanted to say you one thing, that essential oils cannot be used directly on your scalp and on your skin, because it is extracted from plant and it is highly concentrated, so you will have any, you know, allergic reactions. Yeah, and I also wanted to say you that if any of oils doesn't suits you, or your skin is sensitive, then please have a patch test before and then proceed to the process. Okay, so meet you in my next video, people. Till that, I am Divya Lota signing off. Bye bye.